Hey, what's up guys? So I'm going to show you how to make a really cute deco mesh wreath. What you will need is a work wreath. This is 16 inches. It does have the chenille stems in place. You can use a regular wreath and add your own chenille stems. I'll put the link to the video in the description box below. You need the large deco mesh, which this is 21 inches I believe. Whatever colors you choose. And also smaller deco mesh in a couple of different colors as well. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get started. So what I'm going to do is take the large deco mesh and I'm going to layer them on top of each other. Now you can put them on top of each other or you can put them like side by side. Fold the corners in. Just like this, and we're just going to cut all this extra. So this is your starting piece. I'm just going to unravel the deco mesh a little bit to give me some space to work. And I'm going to start on this outer ring. Just going to place the deco mesh right there and twist it a couple of times just to make sure it's nice and secure. Then I'm just going to pull, make a poof, and go to the next ring. Right here. Twist it a couple of times. Pull, make a poof, and then tie it down. And I'm just going to do this all the way around. Alright, so I've gone all the way around on the outer ring. Then I'm going to come back to the inner ring. You could cut the deco mesh here and then just start over new on the inner ring, or you can just make a loop with the deco mesh so it's tied right here, and I could just bring it in, make the loop, and then tie it right here and just continue on. Just like that, and just continue on around the ring. Have the deco mesh on the outer ring and also the inner ring. This is what it looks like. Now we're going to separate because we want to see that really pretty silver on the bottom. So what you're going to do, just go around to each loop, just pull it apart just like that. Just manipulate it and just make it look as pretty as you'd like. Alright, and we are all done. Super cute and fluffy. Now you could definitely just tuck the chenille stems, add a bow, and be done with it. Or you can add shorter deco mesh just to accent it. So I have the short deco mesh that I rolled, the blue and the white, and I'm just going to scrunch them together and place them all throughout the wreath. Untwist the chenille stem and then place it, and then twist the stem back. So that is what it starts to look like. I'm just going to do this all the way around. Alright, so I am all done. I've added the shorter deco mesh just to add a little extra flair to it. And I also went ahead and tucked the stems. Again, you can still see it a little bit. It's not bothering me, but if you'd like, you can maybe put a ribbon or a button or something on top of it. But I think it looks fine. If it coincides with your colors, then you can just like curl it and just make it part of your decoration. But here it is all done. Very cute, very full and fluffy. You can do whatever colors you'd like and just be creative and have fun with it.